Hey everybody, welcome back to the hangar deck. I just wanted to give you a little update on the SB2U-2, the Vindicator. Since the last time we talked, I went ahead and did a sub-assembly of the cockpit. And as you can see, it is silver. The instructions call out a bare metal finish for the cockpit, which is pretty, which I would say was fairly well, wasn't used much after the war began. I mean, I'm sure there were some aircraft that were bare metal finish, but corrosion became an issue. Aluminum can corrode. You know, it was funny. When I was a kid, they would sell cookware and things that was made out of aluminum, and they would say it will never rust. It's made from aluminum. Well, that's true. It won't rust, but it will corrode. So that's why part of the reason why they finished the interior of aircraft in zinc chromate and what have you to help combat rust and wear. And then later on in modern aircraft, you don't see a lot of zinc chromate. You see a finished color like dark gray or light gray or something like that on the interior. Okay, so tonight we're going to paint the life raft, and then we've got the sides that we have to do. We've already painted those, but you'll notice there's an oxygen bottle right there, and so I will paint that, and we'll paint that separate. And then we'll go ahead and assemble those sides of the cockpit, and then we'll check back up. So stay tuned. There will be more updates. Signing off, this is Tom from the hangar deck.